Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Sinh from Trekking Tour Sapa, and right now I'm staying in the beautiful place. You can see behind me this incredible rice terrace. And because the end COVID, so our tour guide in my hometown, we are lost our job. We lost our job, so everybody stopped to earn money, and that's something that we are very sad. And also I understand that you are our guest, you also sad because you lost our beautiful place. So you want to see our beautiful place, but because the end COVID, so you also lost our beautiful place. So also very sad, both of us. So I haven't posted any video or any photo on the Facebook, on the YouTube right now, because not a lot of people can see. And this is my very first video, that I want to share with you. Because right now in Vietnam, it was okay to travel. So everybody travel to my hometown right now, and you know our place is beautiful right now. So we are very welcome you to our place, and as a tour guide like me, I would like to see you as well. So wherever you stay right now, take care and healthy. So we might see one day. And if you come to my hometown, I'm happy to help you organize a wonderful trip for your experience in my hometown. And so what's as a tour guide, what we are doing right now, right? So hold the tour guide right now, we are, because we lost our job, so we are doing farm. Okay, we are doing a farm. So some people, they come to Sapa, and they work in the hotel, on the restaurant. But some people, they work in the farm, just like a farmer doing rice field and corn field, something like that. And myself, I'm really sad as well, but I borrow a lot of things, and now I still stay there, and I do nothing right now. Just prepare for the next year and waiting for the next time we heard the tourists coming to our hometown. I'm very hope that I can see you in my hometown, because I miss my job. I lost my job, and now I very miss the job that I do. The job I do is amazing. I just cannot say, but I love my job, and I very miss my job. I hope that one day I can, you can come back, and I can back to my job and do my job again. So thank you so much, guys. And this is a very short video that I want to share with you. Just not much thing to say in this video, but stay safe, and I might see you in the future. See you. Bye bye.